And here we go. Now we have it all dug out. We are under the sidewalk. Didn't hit no cable lines, no electric lines, nothing. So everything is perfect. All the way, all the irrigation. Here we go. We're over 100 feet. All the way to the back. All the way around. So now we're gonna have to get the catch basins, put everything in. Catch basin over there, 3 behind there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 here. We're on this side, haven't decided yet. And I'm gonna probably put another 1 in here, and then 1 all the way at the end. Now to pipe it all up.